We all are born in the same way, but only few of us make a difference. The reason a lot has to do with the kind of choices that we make, and of course the values that we are brought up with, our upbringing. uh, Man has this inherent capacity, as soon as we achieve success we get a sense of pretentiousness, uh, pretentiousness in a way that we think I am better than anybody else, I am smarter than anybody else, which we all of us know that success is not as fulfilling as we think. And this sometimes we forget in that pretentiousness, in that sort of arrogance or attitude, whatever you call it, that it is that one particular thing we are good at. There is a lot other things to out there which maybe we have no idea of. I think we all must have realized that. Now, why is it? What makes the difference is the consciousness of a man. What separates a man from the rest of the animals is what is unique about us is our consciousness. Intellectually or physically, even the animals grow over a period of time, but our what how do we differentiate between right and wrong is our sense of consciousness. And which should be the ultimate dharma, the religion or the dharma of a man. And the our greed, it diverts us towards the things that we have no idea. It diverts us towards the gains. We want to achieve so much in this life. And there is you know there is one part of us that or which does not want to kind of attempt anything to do against our principles. And there is another part, like as humans, that we want you know we want to supersede, or we want to overcome that self-imposed temperance. And our vulnerability, comes from the fact that we are so attached to who we are, to our being. And we don't want to lose that ever. And this sense of being, it gives us a sense of security, a sense of comfort. And if you have deep down, if you have realized, sometimes this sense of comfort, this comfort zone, or this security, this kind of limits us from embracing the spiritual side of our life. In order to We are kind of trapped in that zone. And in order to illuminate ourselves with that spiritual energy, with that love, it is very important that we untrap ourselves. And to when we get that energy, when we get that spiritual freedom, that kind of gives us an idea, or that uh, untraps us and makes us more aware of ourselves. That's called the self realization, which is bigger than self. And that is the whole purpose, to see who we are, to realize self, the self realization. That is the whole purpose, that why we are here.